Put a sponge in your washing machine and you'll be surprised at the result. Laundries don't want you to know that. I bet you've never thought of doing this at home, but when you find out what it's for, you'll certainly rush to do it, because it's a simple trick, but I guarantee it will be very useful. So check it out. You'll be glad you did. To begin with, here's what we're going to do. Sort out some clothes to wash here. I'm going to do it with the dark ones, but you can do it with the others too. The result will be the same. Shall I add the soap? And now the fabric softener here. For now I'm doing the normal process. And now our little secret? Before starting the machine, are you going to add a sponge like this? Is that right? And you're probably wondering what it's for? Putting a sponge in the machine may seem like a strange idea at first, but this trick will make washing your clothes much easier. This technique is quite old and still very useful today. By putting a kitchen sponge in your washing machine, you create an attraction for hair. It will act like a magnet, attracting all kinds of dirt. Like wool, hair, and dust, anyone who has a pet at home will immediately understand the value of this tip. Not only that, this tip will also help you save soap. The sponge helps to mix the soap better in the water, so there are no lumps left behind. Everything is dissolved perfectly, and so the amount of soap you'll need will be much less. But it's important to make sure your clothes have enough space in the machine. This will facilitate the movement of the garments and, consequently, more effective hair removal. And always remember to dry the sponge. Leaving it wet after use can lead to the accumulation of mold and an unpleasant smell. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to do this trick at home. You're sure to love the results. Bye and see you in the next video.